Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. One of the services I offer my clients is I will send them to the Glidden Automotive Paint Store. It's on Ulmerton Road, up kind of between Belcher and 19 if you're local to me. And they will custom match your paint and put it in an aerosol can. And that's what I had the client do. This guy approached me one day and he said, hey, I've got a GTO. I'm going to bring it by sometime and have you take a look. And it was just completely, faded. This is plastic and it just looked terrible across the top and it looked terrible across here. So I did this strip and I also did from this down. Is it a work of art? No, it's not. Does it match? Yeah, it's pretty darn good. Do I have a paint line? Yes. Did I use a back masking technique where you peel the masking tape back so you don't have such a sharp edge? That's pretty smooth, actually. There is a break in this. They were pushing it one time, so this little triangle is a broken section of the plastic. And like I said, this car, for a Pontiac product, it is the kind of cool GTO. It's got the 6-liter. It's got the scoops. The guy loves the car. And what I can do for you or if you know someone who's looking for service like this, local to Clearwater, I can help you out, do a quick fix, and get some decent results just here in the garage. So I thank you very much, and until next time, I'll see you on the flip side. Take care.